This is the Sea Turtle Table Runner, size 13 by 90. This immediately gives coastal vibes. The colors are so bright and beachy, but it still works on a regular dining table. The length is great. My table is about 92, so it fits perfectly. The sea turtle and ocean motif adds personality without overwhelming the table. The fabric is lightweight, it doesn't bunch or wrinkle. This can work indoors or outdoors. So easy to move from kitchen to patio. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. This is an easy way to bring in summer or there's coastal vibes without changing everything else. Best for everyday tables, casual dinners, or seasonal decor. It does the job well, makes the table look styled and pulled together, and very coastal summer without effort. I would highly recommend this Drapeloft Sea Turtle Table Runner, size 13 by 90.